Hello everyone and welcome back to the Carghost channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to temporarily fix the actuator problem on w211 cars. I believe the C classes have it too. It's commonly known as bouncy car locks. And what is bouncy car locks? Well, this. Yep, you see this little thing not always locks and it bounces up and down. That's because a little spring is broken inside the actuator. And we're gonna temporarily fix that today. Why temporary? Well, because even though it's sunny out in New York, it's still pretty cold and windy. So I have two actuators in my shopping cart in FCP Euro, but I haven't pulled the trigger yet because it's a big job. You gotta take all the door panels and then you gotta take the actuator out. You actually have to drill some riv nuts, and I'm gonna wait for a better day to do that. But I found a solution and we're gonna try and use either of these. Duct tape, because well, the car is gray, but also gaff tape works well, even better, because it's doesn't leave any residue on the little things over there, lock buttons. But second one is electrical tape. So I'm gonna try both because both actuators are not good. This and the one on the passenger side. Now we're doing this tape. Some people do toothpick, but that's ghetto. Not that this isn't, but we're gonna do this. We're gonna wrap it around the little knob, and that's gonna create a little more friction so it doesn't bounce up and down. It's gonna create resistance, basically. So yeah, let's take these things off real quick and give it a try. Alright, lefty loosey. So this is how it looks, and now I'm gonna wrap it up. Here we go. Very simple. I don't know if that could focus. One layer of duct tape. We're gonna set this aside and do the same with the electrical tape. And this is one layer of electrical tape. Let's try them out. There we go. So here we have the one with the duct tape right here on the driver's side, and we're gonna screw it up righty tighty, and there we go. I guess it's now in the lock position. Let's do the passenger side as well with the electrical tape. There we go. Okay, moment of truth. We're gonna try the passenger side lock. It locked, and unlock. It unlocked. Now I hear a problem. I know that this one does not work. See, it still has friction, but it probably needs a little more. It locks well, but on the unlock it does not unlock fully. That now it's unlocked, so it's gonna open up. Let's try from the outside. It locked fine, better than before where I had to lock it like 6 times to have it locked. But when it unlocks, it doesn't really have the full friction. Here we go, it's unlocked now. Still, it's a lot better than hitting the button like 15 times before, but I'm going to try and reapply maybe another layer of duct tape, or I can actually switch it to the electrical tape that we have on the other side. Let's see. Okay, so after careful consideration, I did put some electrical tape on the driver's side as well, and let's try it. See, it opens up. no problem, and it locks, no problem. So even though we fixed it for the time being, this is a temporary solution, and it's because the tape will wear off, you have to reapply it, and then it probably hurts the already broken actuator to have extra tension. But as I said, soon we're going to be replacing the actuators on both passenger and driver side doors. One I'm going to try to fix by putting a different replacing the broken spring that is inside the actuator. The other one I'm just going to straight replace, but as I said, it's a long, difficult, cumbersome job. So for those of you who don't want to get your hands dirty, here is a temporary fix. Thank you for watching today's video. As always, if you liked it, hit the thumbs up, and if you like the channel, why not subscribe and hit that bell? You know, that's the right thing to do. See you in the next one. Bye.